Hi, my name is Marco Chéry. Welcome to this 1-minute tips of Solid Expert. Today I will show you how to re-reference the folder location where DriveWorks is looking for captured models or drawing. For example, here in my conveyor project, I have a folder which contains all my SolidWorks 3D file inside subfolder. You can see my 3D file over here. So now, let's rename the main folder model. I will put a new name, for example, 3D model. Now, let's look at the impact of this change in my conveyor project by opening the data management module. Inside the data management, I will log into my group, DriveWorks Training 15. I will check the data backup option. And I click on captured information. As you can see, all the references for my 3D file are displayed in red because the references are broken. To relocate the references, I'll click on the Change Location button and select again the new folder, 3D model. Now, all the links are created again, and you can see the new path. I hope this trick will help you. Thank you for watching.